What is BingX Futures Copy Trading? BingX gives you two flexible copy trading modes so you can match your strategy to your risk tolerance. Why use BingX Copy Trading? Well, firstly, there's Copy Trading Subsidy Voucher. Earn free vouchers through campaigns that reimburse losses in USDT during the voucher's active period, reducing the risk for new users. There's also Copy with Zero Slippage. Match your selected trader's entry and exit prices exactly for precise execution, even in volatile markets. 3. Copy Trading 2.0 Upgrade. Gain transparency and control with dedicated sub-accounts during leverage, liquidation prices, and allowing independent fund management. And 4. Recommend to earn. Invite friends to follow your favorite trader and earn 25% of their profit share for as long as they copy trade. The first one, copy by position ratio. Your trade size mirrors the trader's percentage allocation. If they open a position using 10% of their account, the same percentage of your allocated funds is used. This keeps your exposure aligned with the strategy and risk profile. Next, copy by per order. You choose a set amount of USDT for each copy trade, for example, 20, 50, or 100 USDT per order. This lets you control your risk per position and is ideal if you prefer a cautious approach or follow multiple traders at once. Beyond that, with BingX Copy Trading 2.0, all trades run in a dedicated sub-account, separate from your main futures positions. This ensures automatic matching of the trader's leverage and margin mode, clear transparent performance tracking, and strong risk isolation and organized fund management. Why copy trade futures at BingX? BingX makes it easy to copy trade futures since there is a dedicated sub-account separate from the main balance. This setup isolates risks, keeps funds organized, and provides clear tracking of profits and losses. Automatic leverage matching ensures your settings align with the trader you follow. The zero slippage feature is available to help achieve the same entry price as the trader. Step by step on how to start futures copy trading on BingX desktop. Step 1. Deposit USDT into your futures account. Before copying trades, you need to fund your USDSM perpetual futures account. Go to Assets, Futures Account, Perpetual Futures, and deposit USDT, the only supported currency for copy trading. Step 2. Open the copy trading dashboard. From the homepage, hover over copy trading and click futures traders. You'll see a curated list of traders sorted into categories like trending traders, conservative traders, and rising stars. Use filters such as 30-day ROI, copier account, cumulative P&L, or risk level to narrow down traders that match your goals. Step 3. Choose a trader and click copy. Click on any trader's card to view their full profile. You'll see 30-day and 180-day ROI, win ratio and max drawdown, total cumulative profit and copier earnings, and number of active copiers and account size. For added insight, use BingX AI analysis to evaluate trader consistency, risk level, and real-time strategy performances. When you find a trader who fits your strategy, click Copy to proceed. Step 4. Set your copy trading preferences. You'll now select how you want to copy trades. You can copy by position ratio. Enter your copying trading funds, for example, 200 USDT. Your trade size will automatically mirror the trader's allocation. Optionally, you can copy the trader's current open positions immediately. Or you can copy by per order. Choose a fixed margin amount per trade, between 20 to 200,000 USDT. You'll also be able to set take profit / stop loss. And optional, enable copy with zero slippage for price matching precision. This option gives you more control over individual trade sizes. Step 5. Confirm and begin copying. Click Copy Now to activate the copy relationship. Your trades will start replicating the trader's future entries and exits in real time under a dedicated copy trading sub-account. Step 6. Monitor and adjust as needed. Head to My Trades, then go to Ongoing to view open and completed copy positions, track daily earnings and total performance, modify your margin, TP, or SL, or slippage settings. Add or reduce funds anytime. Stop copying whenever you want. Positions will be closed at market price and unused funds returned to your futures account. How to start futures copy trading on the BingX app. Step 1. Open the BingX app and go to Copy Trading. Launch the BingX app and tap Copy Trading from the bottom navigation bar. At the top, swipe to the Perpetual Futures tab to explore traders who focus on leveraged crypto futures like BTC, USDT, and ETH USDT. Step 2. Browse and evaluate traders. Scroll through curated trader lists such as trending, conservative, or rising stars. Tap any trader profile to view detailed stats, including 30-day and 180-day ROI, win ratio and drawdown data, cumulative P&L and copier earnings, current number of copiers, and trading frequency. These stats update every hour. And with BingX AI analysis, you can uncover deeper insights into trader behavior, performance trends, and strategy alignment, making it easier to choose a trader that fits your goals and risk profile. Step 3. Tap Copy and set up your preferences. Once you've chosen a trader, tap Copy to configure your copy trading settings. Choose one of two modes. Number 1. Position ratio mode. Set your total copy trading fund amount, for example, 100 USDT. Your position size will mirror the trader's margin usage. Or 2. Per order mode. Set a fixed margin amount per trade, for example, 20 or 50 USDT. Ideal for hands-on control. And optionally, set take profit and stop loss limits. Another option, enable copy with zero slippage for accurate price replication. Once your settings are in place, tap Copy Now to start copying trades in real time. Step 4. Track and manage your copy trades. Go to My Trades, then go to Ongoing to monitor your open positions and earnings. From this dashboard, you can adjust your copy trading funds, modify TP/SL, or enable, disable zero slippage. And you can also pause or completely stop copying the trader. When you stop copying, your open positions will be closed at market price, and your remaining funds will return to your perpetual futures account. And that's it. Now you know how to get started with futures copy trading on BingX. Always set clear limits, manage leverage carefully, and monitor your trades regularly. You can leverage the expertise of seasoned futures traders while tailoring exposure to your own profile. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson, where we'll cover even more copy trading strategies to level up your trading journey. See you in the next lesson.